We need change agents to transform our planetary reality. Understand the concept of regeneration, how it applies in different fields, and move from knowledge to action. This certificate covers 4 modules. Incorporate complexity and system thinking into your daily life. Also, acquire the ability to design and map systems from an integrative perspective. Analyze economic and political management from an innovative point of view. To propose new well-being indicators. Design actions based on regenerative practices. Learn from real experiences in regenerative entrepreneurship. And understand how to put technology at the service of life. Discover your purpose and impact through actions in your environment. Also, promote collective intelligence by building networks and collaborating with others. This is a certificate designed and facilitated by UCI, a leading Costa Rican university in regeneration. Be part of an international community of over 60 participants in 18 countries who are already making an impact. Learn from global speakers who are practitioners in the several topics covered. We combine live sessions with the practical application of your learnings and the guidance of regeneration pioneers. Also receive close and personalized support with the backing of UCI's projects and allies. Embark on this transformative journey guided by pioneers and a global network of regenerators. Get in touch with us and let's talk.